If I could talk to myself 5 years earlier, I would try to convince myself to go ahead and start doing right then what I've been doing now.
My supervisor looked at me and said, "You look different. What are you doing? You just seem happier and brighter." And then my mother says, what's different about you?
They had me on blood pressure medicine. It was just like the enemy. I had to get off the pills. I had to get off of the medicine. I just didn't want to go to the doctor anymore.
When I first started my journey, I didn't think anybody was paying attention. But then as they started noticing differences, people started saying, "What are you doing?"
I had thought about taking anxiety medication, but I really didn't want to take medicine. I really wanted to try to do the therapy route first to see if that was something that could help me, and I'm so thankful that I did.
I am proud of the fact that I see it in videos and in pictures. I am never going to get to where I was before. I am not going to go backwards.
My motivation is to make sure that the things that happened to me when I was growing up don't happen to my children. It all starts with me. And so that's when I said, you know what, I'm going to give this a chance.
Eventually, I'm going to get to the point where I can't get out and go. I can't enjoy the outdoors. I want that to be as far down the road as possible.
I've dropped weight. My skin is cleared up. I feel better. I feel like I'm speaking from experience now because I'm getting better care and I know what better care looks like.
You have to ask yourself the reason why. This is okay, you have a young child. I want to be alive to see him grow up. That one realization allowed me to basically make a game out of it and say, hey, if you want to stay out of that office, then you must do what you have to do.
I help take care of my parents and I help take care of my husband's parents. I'm impacting them just by making changes in my own life. I want to keep them around as long as I can. And in turn, I'm taking care of myself because I know my kids want to keep me around as long as they can as well.
It has been so impactful, not only for my life, but for my kids. I'm sorry. Being able to get out of the house without just having the constant fear of anxiety and panic attacks.
Overall best benefits that I never expected. Having to ask for a 4X shirt. I don't have to worry about that. I can wear what I want to wear. It honestly doesn't matter what you're struggling with. Help is out there.
And so if I can do my part, then at least I can feel like, okay, I've done something. I don't have to be the president. But if I raise good kids, I'm good. That's all I need.